What's the real value of gold? Let's talk about the real value of gold. It's not just a shiny metal, it's a safeguard against inflation, currency devaluation, and market volatility. When times get tough, people turn to gold because it holds its value. Unlike paper money, which governments can print more of, gold is limited. That scarcity is what makes it valuable. And with a gold IRA, you can hold physical gold in your retirement account, giving you a real, tangible asset to protect your wealth. Interested in how to diversify your retirement with gold? Check out the link below the video or goldforthefuture.com to learn more. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.